Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I think this is a good place to cover the escape character. So alright, I'm sure you remember, let's talk about this. So we got escape character. Alright, so make sure we got that covered. So alright, let's return this. So I want to show you this. I want to create this. So return new, and then we're going to assign this. And if you didn't watch the last encryption video, go watch that and come back and you'll see what we're doing. So, alright. So, alright. Everybody look right here. And actually, let's change this. Didn't really think about that. New. So I call new send. Then I call send. And everybody look really close right here. This should be the same number of characters, right? Look right here. So if I were to then let me show you this. Call new send. Then I print new send. Look at this right here. This is what I want to bring your attention to. Where'd the backspace go? So alright, backspace is an escape character. So you remember when we did this and I showed you new line, and it puts in the new line, and then we did tab. Okay, so let me show you this right here. So if I were to do that and I wanted backspace to come out, if you look real close, if you're looking on your screen, if you're typing along while you're doing this, I'm going to fail right here because my parentheses is still green. Look. Okay. So if I really want this backspace, actually to close this out, so if I want this to come out, I've got to put a backspace in front of it, an escape character. So if I want a backspace to come out to the screen, I have to put an additional backspace. So you're going to run into this. So this right here, Python covers for us. It says, I don't know what you're doing, but I know for this to work, we need to put in a backspace for you. And it's a escape character. So if I were wanting to show you to come out on the screen, I would have to do this. So if I wanted to show you that and I wanted to print it, I would have to put an escape character, backspace, in front of my backspace to get my character of new line to come out to the screen. And you will run into this, and I thought this would be a very perfect time. That's why I picked the %sign and 2 for our encryption. But this is a very handy tool to know, and just wanted to make sure you knew about it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.